Fear. It's the chill that runs down your spine, the hesitation before a big leap, the instinct that keeps you alive. But what if fear disappeared? What if humans could no longer feel it? Fear is one of our oldest survival tools. It warned our ancestors of predators, kept us from taking dangerous risks, and even today, it pushes us to be careful. But if fear vanished overnight, humanity would face a world that feels braver and far more dangerous. At first, life would look exciting. No one would hesitate before skydiving, exploring deep oceans, or chasing risky dreams. People would confront danger head-on. Heroes might rise, fearless in the face of disaster. But fear isn't just weakness, it's protection. Without it, people might cross busy streets carelessly, climb cliffs without gear, or ignore deadly warnings. Hospitals would overflow, accidents would skyrocket. Without fear, we wouldn't pause to think, should I? We'd only act. Criminals, unchecked by fear of punishment, might act more boldly. Extreme sports, dangerous experiments, and reckless wars could surge. Even leaders without fear of failure might take catastrophic risks.
My fellow Americans, we stand at a crossroads, a moment of truth for our nation.
What seems like courage could quickly turn into chaos. Ironically, fear doesn't only protect us, it shapes us. It makes achievements meaningful. Overcoming fear gives courage its value.
Good evening, everyone.
If fear vanished, bravery would lose its meaning because without fear, there's nothing to overcome. Fear also builds empathy. When we feel vulnerable, we understand others' struggles.
I'm so glad you're safe. Me too, my love.
Without fear, would we still comfort each other in times of danger? Or would humans become cold, detached, and reckless with each other's lives? So what if fear disappeared forever? We might live like superheroes for a while, until reality caught up. Fear may feel like weakness, but maybe it's the quiet guardian that keeps humanity alive.